nothing. Do it quick.
Yes, my love.
Wearing the pants in this house. Understand?
Yes, my juicy dream girl. But chicken pie.
You ruffian! You wife beater! Striking a woman when her back is turned!
Oh, boy. What stamina. Only a married man could take it like that.
A mouse!
Thanks, Herman, for saving my life.
Now, listen.
Cactus!
Coming, angel cake.
Wait a minute. You gotta be tough. So your wife will look up to you instead of beating you down. You want to be the cock of the walk, don't you?
Yeah?
With plenty of wine
Yeah?
and women
Yeah.
and songs.
Yeah.
Well, all you gotta do is stay 2 rounds with this stumblebum.
Yeah? No, not him.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a fight! Henpeck Hector can take anything the champ can throw at him.
Come on, Hector. We got him eating leather. The big bum can't hide us.
One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He's up. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8, 9, 10, he's out!
The winner and new champion.
Hello, Ma. It was a tough fight. And I'll be right home after I celebrate, you big hunk of chicken fat.
Yippee!
Look at the new champ.
Yippee! What's the meaning of this, you Casanova clock? Well,
Stop! I'm the champ. It worked. She's afraid of me.
Sure, you're the champ. Let's drink a toast on it.
I'll get rid of that interfering mouse.
Three cheers for the new champ. Well. Look who's here, Herman. The old battle axe herself. Here, hold my hat and my cigar. And I'll show you how I floored Hogan.
seen the look on Hogan's puss when I socked him.
Did you say Hogan?
Yeah.
It's Hogan!
Well, you look just like the baby I'm looking for. Upset Daisy! Upset Daisy!